chako sombgi skunde mopogore opogore. E skund primar ma Shauri Yako, jopuonjre kod jonyuol ne omondo mar timo ikruok mogik ne chako somo kendo neno ni jopuonjre yudo thuolo mag somo maonge ng'ikruok. Kata kamano, ywak to pod nitie kowuok kuom jonyuol ewi pek ma okwako chenrono.
We have also had some of our neighboring schools which did not pass. They were not given the opportunity to host grade 7. That is why today, as you look around, you can see different uniforms in the school. Those who had no chance of hosting, they have had their pupils coming here to be registered in Shauri Yako. This is likely to raise our population, which is already very high. We talked with the management committee, and we allocated junior secondary school, the block that is behind me. It has 6 classrooms. The challenge we have here is just facilities, because the school being one of the most populated school in the county, and now that most of the academies around have not been given chance to host grade 7, we are anticipating the number to go up. But still, we hope that with the 2 classrooms that we have preserved for them, they will be accommodated.
Tunaomba serikali atulete vitabu kwa haraka ili watoto wetu waanze masomo kwa haraka, na tunajiunga na wazazi pamoja na walimu. Tuko nao hatua kwa hatua kuona watoto wetu wamesoma vizuri.
My experience is that I am so happy to be in grade 7 and I have a new uniform. We are different from other schools.
I'm from Shauri Yako Primary School. I'm in grade 7. I'm so happy because our teachers have decided to change us the uniform.